So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again, and in this video we are going to talk about the cross-site scripting, again a great vulnerability from the web software vulnerability, and also really a great vulnerability in the sense of, you can say, the websites. So this vulnerability is so good that if you go to HackerOne or bug crowd and read the activities, then there are high chances that you get the vulnerability as cross-site scripting vulnerability. So this vulnerability is also really, you can say, great that even you can change the web page content using this vulnerability. So let's get started and let's see what is this vulnerability and how can we find this. And I'm going to tell little bit more about this vulnerability and how you can exploit this vulnerability. Even the website is using, you can say, the security of this vulnerability, because there are high chances that the website may not be using the best security level for this vulnerability. So let's get started. Before starting this video, let me remind you to join the Telegram channel. Link is in the description if you want to be with us for the future. And also I'm going to post quite interesting things on my Telegram channel. And also this is for backup, you can say, because I've got a YouTube community guidelines strike, and this will be second strike. So again, if I got one more strike, then my channel may got delete from the YouTube. So if this thing anything happen like this, I'm gonna create a new channel, and the link will be posted on the Telegram channel. So if you want to be with us, you can join our Telegram channel. So let's get started and deploy the machine, and let's talk about the XSS. So XSS is a cross-site scripting vulnerability where in the website you can inject you can inject code, malicious code, which is JavaScript code. So there is a very easy step to find out if the website is vulnerable with the cross-site scripting. Is simply, here we are given a code. This you can type this code in any section, like in the if there is any comment section, or if there is any search bar. So you can try this code there. So also you can enter anything except in place of hello world. So before going to the payload, let's talk about the type of XSS. So there are mainly three types of XSS: stored XSS, reflected, and DOM based. So the most vulnerable and the most harmful vulnerability of the cross-site scripting is the stored XSS. So because the stored XSS, this vulnerability directly gets stored on the database, and when any user, and if any website is vulnerable with this vulnerability and a hacker inject a code of cross-site scripting, then all the users of that website is vulnerable with this cross-site scripting. And the reflected accesses is the payload where the website responds back to the user when hacker injects the payload. And the DOM-based accesses is the accesses, we can say, as I already told, that this vulnerability is able to change the content of the website. So DOM based access is similar to that. So one more thing that I have told you, that you can find out the website which is vulnerable with XSS even after using the security for that. So there is a website, so there is a page of OWASP top 10, sorry, OWASP. You can get that page using search evasion cheat sheet. I use this cheat sheet always when I'm searching for any cross-site scripting vulnerability, because there are given a lot of payloads which bypass a different security configurations. Like here you can see from character code and default src tag to get past filters, check src domain, and there are many filters bypassing and on error alert. And you can see the this page is full of payloads. You can see VBScript in an image, live script, older version of Netscape, and you can read this page. I'm not gonna explain this page because this makes a video a little bit more longer. So you can check that payloads, and so our website is also launched, and let's check out the website. So here we enter the key. Sorry. So okay, now so let's see the challenges. The first challenge is go to this website and craft a reflected access. So let me reload my page, and because the IP address is given here, it is wrong IP address. So okay, now it is reloaded. Wait, okay. So where is now XSS? Broken access control. Here it is. Okay, so yeah, machine IP and reflected. Okay, so let's do this manually. Reflected. This seems something in it. Okay. Okay, let me pause this video and we'll back soon when the vulnerability is resolved. Sorry, when the problem is resolved, not vulnerability. Okay, so we are here. Our problem is solved. So the first vulnerability is, so first task is go to this and craft a reflected XSS payload that will cause a pop-up saying hello. Okay, so here is a search bar, and all we have to do is enter the payload with script alert and type hello and close the script tag, and sorry, I got it wrong. Let's change the URL, and here it is. We the vulnerability, sorry, the code injected, and run it, and here we have our answer. There is more to XSS than you think. Let's copy it and paste it here, and that's it for the first task. And now for second task. On the same reflected page, craft a reflected XSS payload that will cause a pop-up with your machine IP address. So as I told that XSS can do a lot more than just creating a pop-up alert. So just we need to know the inject, or just we need to know the payload. So here we have given the payload in the hint section, and the code is window.location.hostname. Okay, so let's copy it and let's paste it here, and let's try entering it, and here we got our IP address. So you can see that how easy to find the XSS vulnerability, and also how harmful it is. So here we have our answer, reflected XSS for the win. And now moving to our next task is now navigate to this stored section and make an account, then add a comment and see if you can insert some of your own HTML. Okay, so now we have to go for stored XSS. Let's move to the stored, and let's create the account with the username hacker and the password as hacker, and we got the account and we have logged in. So okay, now we have to log in again. Let's try it. Yeah, we got it. And what we have to do, I forgot, now navigate to make an account and then add a comment and see if you can insert some of your HTML. Okay, so let's try adding some HTML with an h1 tag. So yeah, sorry, h1, and let's comment it. Okay, so yes, successfully added an HTML comment. Answer for question 1 is HTML tags. So we got that answer. Now on the same payload, create an alert pop-up box which appear on the page with your document cookies. Okay, so now we what we have to do, we have to inject a payload which will give us the cookies, which will give us the cookies. So how can we do that? So here we have given, if you need a hint for the questions, click here. So we have given the payload here, and I think this is execute JavaScript with develop for, yeah, you can get the document cookies using document.cookies in JavaScript. So let's copy this, and now let's inject the payload using the script alert and paste document.cookies. Now closing the script tag, and now comment. Okay, and here we got it, our the cookies, and okay, click on OK, and we got it, our answer. Well done, level 2. Okay, now moving to the next task. Change XSS playground to I am hacker by adding a comment and using JavaScript. Okay, so we have given the code here, the payload here. Let's just simply copy this payload and paste it in the comment section, and we when we run this code, this payload, you can see what happened. Here you can see I am hacker. This changes. Previously it is written as something else, and now it is changed to I am hacker. Let's see what previously here, and previously here it is XSS playground, but now it is I am a hacker. So as I told you that we can change the web page also using this vulnerability. So I did, and I think it is now over. All tasks is completed with the XSS. So I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, do like the comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, and the next video is about to insecure deserialization. Okay, so thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye till then.